All right, guys, so today's video is gonna be a little different and a little bass backwards. Yes, I said ass backwards, bass backwards.
Because you're wearing a hat. You don't wear hats.
I don't wear hats. That's why it's bass backwards. No, it's because I am now shooting an intro and I already finished the job. Anyway, I am doing stripes. I did some stripes on this car. I removed some stripes off the hood that we put on this car and then did stripes on the front and back. And if you guys watch this video, you guys will see how that happened right now. All right, so that is the job complete. As you guys saw, stripes on the front, stripes on the back. So we got a stripe kit that we kind of customized for the back here because it's actually meant to be without the spoiler. And so they send this with as extra for if you do have the spoiler, so you gotta customize it. So we did that with the knifeless tape there, knifeless there. Got some nice clean lines, as you guys can tell with the video. Also, front. So we got, Eric had done the half or partial front end PPF, it's expel. So that's what Eric does here is expel. We ended up just going over top because if you would have gone over top with the PPF, you would have had line all the way around with either air or slip solution stuck in there because it would have been almost next to impossible to get it all out. Even if he could have got it all out,
got in there and it would have just
probably would have, yeah, you probably wouldn't have been able to seal it properly. So yeah, anyway, this is the best solution for this is just going over top of the PPF. That way we only have this one line and I can seal that line properly with the film. PPF, it's a little bit harder to seal. This works best for our situation here. So that's what we did. Very clean install, looks great. I think we'll have a very happy customer here.
Hope so.
All right, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash thumbs up. And yeah, give it a like. Eric might even go watch it and give it a like.
First like.
Oh, those are
Beat you to it.
high promises there. And please subscribe for more future content. Lots of cool shit coming. See you guys in the next one.